The hit. Nice headbutt. Come west, come west, come west. Come west, come west to the choke. Dropping Judy. Come west. Go past the choke. Go past now, pass now, pass now, pass now, pass now. Come northwest now, past the choke. Come northwest now, past the choke. Nakikita niyo to. Go to the pinks, go to the pinks. Come northwest, come northwest, come northwest, come northwest. Everyone come northwest. Pass the choke, pass the choke. Yo, turn. Look southeast. Look southeast shallow. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now, shallow. Hit. Go past the choke again. Go past the choke. Go past the choke. Full pills now. Go past the choke, full pills, come west, northwest now on the choke, dep on the choke. Go this fast, hold the choke, yo, come west. Ready, dep, ready, inside us now, on the choke, ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit the choke now, hit the choke. Then keep going west, guys, keep going west. I need this up front, hello, come west. Come northwest. I need this up front. Hello. Pwede maluma. Dep. Putang ina. Dep front. Tagid guys. Self ready ha. Hold. Ready. Isadas now ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Isadas now. Hit. Then come north. Keep going northwest. Dep pull up front. Dep. Come northwest now. Move northwest. Hug the wall west. Keep hugging the wall west. Pillars spill. Yo, do. Look at the dungeon. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the dungeon. Hit the dungeon. Then come west. Come southwest. Pass the choke. Pass. Go this fast. Dali. Go this fast. Have the front. Yo, face north now. Ready to fire. Hold. You're ready. Shallow the choke notice in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the choke notice now. Hit. Hold the choke, guys. Hold the choke. Don't pass. Okay, atras. Hold the choke. Then ready. Hold the choke. Hold the choke. Dali. Hold the choke. Just hold the choke. Ready. Deep notice na choke. After J, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit deep notice on the choke. Hit. Then keep holding the choke. Yo, dep front. Dep. Pass now. Keep holding the choke, guys. Okay, atras. Pag umatras kayo, papasok. Yo, hold. Hold, come southeast na, pinapasok nyo eh. Come southeast. Hug the wall southeast. Inside us now, shallow. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Hit. Drop damage. Come southeast. Keep moving southeast. Nice hit. Keep moving south. Look for me. Keep moving south. Straight south, then east. Straight south, then east. Look for me. Yo. Look shallow northwest now. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northwest now. Hit. Then come southeast now. Move. Southeast lang ng east. Southeast then east. Move. QSWC nyo to. Move, guys. Move then east. Come east. Hold lang. Pag may malapit. Come east. Yo. Shallow northwest on this tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit now. Nice hit. Yo, come east now. Keep moving east. East then northeast. Ikot lang. East then northeast. Huwag niyo pagtapali ng parehas yung dalawang patong na magkadikit, hindi ganyan. Successive. Hold, do.
Miss na sila, Zoro.
Walk on east. You're ready. Shallow. Wait. Shallow southwest. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow southwest. Hit. Keep going north. North then northwest. Pass the choke lang ulit. North then northwest. Full pills now. North then northwest. Nice pills. Wait. Just hold. Ingat ha. Yo, keep going north. Yo, by the bell southwest now. Ready? Deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the bell southwest. Hit. Good shit. Hold the choke now. Come northwest. Hold. Everyone hold. Don't let them in. Pillars spill. Hindi tang hold them. Ready. You ready? Walk south. Ready? Deep southwest again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep southwest now. Oh my God, may nasa taas na. Yo, pull them. Pass. Dep. Demon. Keep going north. Hold the choke again. Hold the choke. Wait. Go this fast. Ready on this hodge. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this hodge. Okay, hold the choke. Hold the choke. Wag nyo, wala nang gig shell. Hold them. Don't let them in, careful. Ready your pats, ready your pats. Don't let them in. Yo, spread, come pa. Yo, ditang sa front. Hold lang. Long cooldown ako. 6 seconds. Wait. Papake ako southwest.
DPS nila northeast.
Papake ako southwest. Nice fake. Wait. Yo, ready. Southwest ng bend. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest ng bend. Careful north. Watch north. Nice bump. Hold the choke. Kudas fast. Def now. Hold down. Yo, walk in. Try to walk in. Walk into them. Papake ako southwest. Walk into them. Watch ako southwest ha. You ready? Wait. Deep east. Deep southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep southeast now. Then go northeast now. Northeast. Northeast guys. Soak it. Northeast kayo. Northeast. Then east. East. Okay, push out. Beyond maze. Push out then beyond maze. Ready, walk. Face west now. Wait. Face west. Ready. Hold. After the J, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the J. Then come northeast now. Northeast. Def. Pass. Soak it. Okay, walk into them. Walk. Kudas fast ha. Walk into them. Pa-J ulit ako kaya. Walk into them. Beyond my south. Walk into them beyond my south. Walk into them beyond my south. Ready, wait. Look shallow north. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow north. Kill the rail. Come northeast now. Pull them now. Move northeast. Pills now. Move northeast. Follow the road. Wag niyo i-back na pabalik. Uy. Move northeast. Keep moving northeast.
Ready.
Hold.
Sa perma nila.
Hold lang. Hold. Yo, ready. Wait. Walk west now. You ready? Shallow southwest ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow southwest now. Hit. Then go northeast now. Go northeast. Mag-hit yan. Go northeast. Follow the road. Ready your paths ha. Follow the road. Cleanses sa front guys. Cleanses sa front. Keep moving northeast. Follow the road. Keep following the road. You're doing good. Keep following the road pa. You're ready. You look south. Yo, look by the road. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Southwest by the road. Okay, come north na. Keep moving north. Keep moving north. Yo, yung hodge na inside natin, ba't dinadala nyo? Come north. North. Straight north guys. Ready your paths ha. Straight north. Keep moving north pa. Straight north. Nakita nyo hodge. Ready, shallow sa hodge. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Keep moving northwest. Northwest now. Soak it. Move northwest. North guys. North. Keep moving north. Cleanses now. Guys, north. Go past the choke again.
Huwag niyo palagpasin.
Ready by the bend ulit ha. Hold. Keep moving ulit pa. Ready by the bend southwest. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the hodge now. Hit. Nice kill. Keep moving northwest. Hold the choke now. Hold the choke. Kudas fast. Angat pa kayo. Maabot ka na yung gisgas. Hold the choke.
Northeast ulit, sorry yung mga DPS.
Pa-J nga ako ng northeast. May makapag-J ba niya?
J ko.
Wait. Hold lang. Headbutt tayo. Careful. We headbutt. Careful. Hold the choke. Ready to soak ha. May hilunod pa. Ready to soak. Yo. Hold. Papake ako northeast. Ready to soak ha. You ready? Hit the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just hit the choke. Drop. Then hold the choke. Don't let them in. Hold the choke. Nice hold. Hold.
Ready in 2.
Wait lang. Hold lang. 6 seconds ako. Hold. Pati nga ako mag-is kung kaya. Pag hindi ready to soak, ready pa. Wait, hold on. Wait inside. Wait. Inside the sound distance ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the tanks. Kill the tanks. Please kill the tanks. Okay, hold the choke. Ready patch. They gonna go. They will go in. Yo, def now. Def. Hold the choke again. Keep holding the choke.
Ready, sir.
Nagano sila, nag-feeling sila. Captain ng GA out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heads out now. Keep holding the choke. Don't let them in. Hello? Don't let them in. The sweepers on the fucking choke. So cooldown ako. Pengi ako ng ano. Nung eagle.
Ready, sir.
4 seconds. Hold lang. Dep. Yo. Eto ha. Inch up. North. Southwest ng choke. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest ng choke. Hit now the full.
Ay, patay na.
Come northwest. May golem inside us natin ha. You ready? Come northwest na. Move now. Dep. Hold. Keep holding pa. Nag-fail. Tell him ready. Dito sa sound. Hindi sound. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this guy sa Kill the guy sa Sados na. Kill that guy. Patay na, di ba? Hold the choke. Keep holding the choke. Yo. Wait to choke ha. Hold. Yo. Putang ina na enter pa ako. Walking. Yo. Hit the choke Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the choke Southwest na. It's massive Southwest na. Omega drop damage Southwest. Don't let them in. Yo, full piece up front. Batuan mo nga ako ng ano. Pag magpo-push, drop. Batuan mo ng kidlat, Yeah, bud.
Ready, sir.
Wait.
Hold. 8 seconds, Pa-fake ako shallow Southwest.
Mana.
Patay. Sige, hold lang. Wed bat. Yeah, dep. Ready? Southwest ng choke. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest ng choke na. Dig. Nice hit. Then hold the choke. Keep holding the choke. Don't let them in. Papasok yan. Don't let them in. Kunos pass. Ready, Freddy, 4 seconds. You ready? Southwest ulit ng choke. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest ng choke. Hit. Yeah, pull them now. Nag-get ulit. Hold the choke. Keep holding the choke.
Uy, kidnapin niya na to.
Keep holding the choke. Kidnapin niyo yan, kuhain nyo. Kidnapin yan. Wag. Naiiwan yung choke. Binibait kayo niyan. Naiiwan yung choke. Oh, do. You ready? Shallow lang sa choke. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow sa choke na. Hit. Dep now. Nice kill. Pull down sa front. Batuan mo rin ng cooldowns yung harap. Para makapag-peel na mabilis. Yo, dep now. Pass. Guys, kita. Hold. Don't cooldown. Hold.
1 minute, okay. 1 minute.
You ready? Shallow Southwest on this ditang. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest na. Okay, they will push in na. Dep now. Nagpa-pass counter lang sila. Dep agad. Hold. Don't cooldown.
Yo, 1 minute, okay.
Daming
OC, bro. OC.
Hold. Ilang healers ka sa party to? Try to loot up, friend.
Rampant.
Okay.
Isa na lang healer.
4 seconds. Wait. Headbutt. Yo, dep. Southwest now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Hit. The timing is real. Hit now. Pull them. Pass. Demons now. Kitang-kita. Yo, try to walk into them. Daanan nyo din. Mauna tayo. Ready pass ha. Daanan nyo. Change position. Don't be scared. Ready. 3 seconds. Hit the choke. Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Hit the choke. Pansin. Putang ina. Out na kayo.
Yun lang.
Run, bitch!
Hindi ko nakita
Run for your life!
Kayo. Putang ina, papansin. Ilan day ng Immortal? 14.